Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial I created this crystal pink makeup look for you guys, so I really hope you guys enjoy it, and if you do, make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you guys never ever miss out on any of my makeup tutorials. So the first thing that I did was I grabbed some concealer, and I always use concealer to prime my eyes just because I love how high coverage it is, and I love just applying it all over my eyelid and then blending it out with a damp beauty sponge. And I always set it in place with translucent powder. I never apply it when the concealer is tacky because I feel like it just makes it a little bit patchy when I do it that way. So I always set it in place, and that makes blending my eyeshadows a lot easier. And the eyeshadow palette that I went in with today is the Neon Pink Obsessions from Huda Beauty. And usually when I go in with a pink type of look, I reach for this palette. It's just habit at this point. I absolutely love it, and this is what it looks like on the inside. It also has some really beautiful purple shades as well. And the first thing that I did was I picked up this really pale pink shade with a fluffy blending brush, and I just put that shade in my crease, going in back and forth motions as my transition shade, not being too specific, just in the crease area all the way from inner corner to outer corner. And then I picked up this defined angled brush and I went in with this more vibrant pink shade, and I just started to map out where I want to add definition in my crease. And this is my favorite way to just really add definition to the crease, because all you have to do is go back in to blend it out, and you still have that line where you know where to bring up the shade, whatever shade you're putting on your lid. It's kind of like your guideline of where to put it. So I love doing that. And then I went in with the transition shade, going directly over that line in circular motions just to really blend it out. But as you guys can see, you can definitely still see the line, and that's typically the look that I go for, and that's just my preference. And as you guys can see now, I'm picking up that really beautiful foiled pink shade, and I'm just applying it all over my lid. And because we did leave that line a little bit defined, you can see exactly where you're going to place your eyeshadow, and I typically don't go up further than that line. Unfortunately, the lashes that I'm using are discontinued, but I'm gonna try to find lashes that I love so that I can link them for you guys. That's like my next thing that I want to do. But then I just went in with that shade that we put in our crease on my lower lash line, and then the very last thing that I did was I applied some mascara, and this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you never ever miss out on any of my tutorials. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!